Hey everybody, welcome back. It's good to see you. We're doing another video on some O2Q swap, some 6-speed swap parts for the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder from Volkswagen. Going from a 5-cylinder, we're staying a 5-cylinder. We're going from a 5-speed transmission to the 6-speed transmission, the O2Q. So this is some stuff I picked up from Geek. So what could I possibly have gotten from Geek? Obviously, I'm not running the diesel. If you haven't heard of Geek, you should. They do a lot of high quality transmission parts for the 6-speed, the 5-speed. This here is some parts for the O2Q. You've got their Sigma 6 short shift kit, all the accompanying hardware that you need, linkage ends and everything for inside the engine bay. So when you're doing a 6-speed swap, I have the 5-speed in mind. I'm going to 6-speed. I still need to swap the linkage ends. So this Sigma 6 is going to take care of that, as well as give it a nice short throw on the shifter. So that's going to be really nice. Going to be really easy to adjust and get everything functioning properly. I also picked up a rebuild kit with their first gear getter and everything for inside the car. So I'm looking to take a lot of slop out of the system. The car does have almost 180,000 miles on it. So the plastic factory stuff, we'll call it, that they use does wear out, and there's a lot of slop in the system. So combination of all this is going to get not only the 6-speed and everything linked up properly in the engine bay with flipping the two linkages. So the 5-speed, the linkages going straight, and you got to flip them for the 6-speed. But we're also going to rebuild inside the car and take a lot of slop out of the shifter assembly itself. So I'm looking to get this thing really dialed in and make it a nice, good driver's car. Yeah, just a few items I picked up from Geek, but really high quality parts. Really impressed with just the initial look at the parts and how much quality is built into them. So super excited to use them on the 6-speed, and another portion of the swap taken care of, parts wise anyway. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. A lot more O2Q swap, 6-speed swap stuff coming. We're gonna do a bunch of videos on the swap and get you guys all taken care of. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I will leave links to all these parts in the description below. And yeah, as always, see you in the next one.